Kosho. This is the MCPX BL2 from Horizon Hobby. Haven't flown it in a while. We're gonna see if we can even fly it. So, see how this thing is here. Pretty zippy. Flies pretty good. Woohoo! Almost hit the ground, baby. Had to take a little break from doing paperwork. I can't stand that stuff. Bureau compensation. Woohoo! Flies pretty darn good. I think this battery's seen better days. Trash man. This should be in 2.7K. My new GoPro Hero 8. I'm gonna go ahead and land. We're gonna switch batteries. So that battery's a little soft. I'm gonna go ahead and start another video, but this is the MCPX BL2 from Horizon Hobby. Got a 2S 200 milliamp E-flite battery in it, 30C. Little tail motor on that. This is the new version. This helicopter flies really good. Probably not a beginner helicopter, even though they kind of say it is. It's a little squirrely. I have a lot of fun with it because I can fly 3D, so I'd call it intermediate. Anyway, have a nice day.